Hi guys and girls, today we are calculating the gradient by counting. Okay, so let's begin with just a short thing on what gradient is. Okay, and gradient essentially is how steep is the line. Okay, so a line that goes up and down very quickly, like the highlighted one there, is going to have a very high gradient. Whereas a line that's flat is going to have a gradient very close to zero. And a line that heads downwards is going to have a negative gradient. So it pretty much goes big number, close to zero, and then negative. Okay, and that's what gradient is. And it's very useful in things like sort of mapping roads, sort of designing slippery dips, anything where you need a number to count how steep something is. Okay, so let's get on to calculating it. Gradient is made up of two parts. One part is the rise, and the other part is the run. Okay, so what the rise is, and I'll just highlight it on question 1, is how far up or down the line moves. Okay, from point to point, so from blue point to blue point, how far up or down the line moves. That's rise. Okay, run is from point to point, how far the line moves across. Okay, so all gradient does is break this line, which is moving in two directions at once, up and down and across, into two numbers: the rise number and the run number. Okay, so to work out the gradient, all we do is we count the rise number, which is 1, 2, 3. So 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, and label that. And we count the across bit, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And label that. Okay, so the gradient of A is going to be 3/5. But just to make it that teeny bit harder, because we're in maths, okay, this line is heading in a negative direction. So the answer is negative 3/5. Okay, if from left to right it's going up, it's positive, like that one. And if from left to right it's moving down, it's a negative, like that one. Okay, and as you can see, our sort of example 1 is moving down. If you look at it, example 2 is also heading down. From left to right, as you read, it's moving down. Okay, 3 from left to right is moving up, so it's got a positive gradient. That's pretty much how that concept works. Okay, so pretty much your steps are count the rise, or how far up and down, count the run, and write the fraction. Then at the end, what I'd like you to do is just check if it's plus or minus. we're done. Hopefully that was helpful. If you've got any questions, queries, or doubtful points, just ask. But bye, guys and girls.